Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to watch GitHub videos. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com, if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. Where in the upper right corner, we want to get started logging into your account. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and sign up for an account. If you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can take a look at our repositories. We have our home page where we can find our home info and so on. And now we can get started. So basically guys, let's say you have a repository that you want to upload a video to. In this repository, as you can see, you want to go ahead and add more than images, but you do not know how. Basically guys, GitHub still has not implemented a way to upload videos. You cannot watch videos and you cannot upload videos to your repository, but what you can do guys is leave links. So if you upload a video to, let's say, YouTube, you can go ahead and add the link to your readme right here, or you can put the link right here so it takes somebody to any page that you wish with any video. But basically guys, you want to put it into your readme right here because they usually do not allow links to videos right here in the description of the repository. So you can create a readme like this one right here where you're going to go ahead and leave any links to any tutorials, videos and so on that you want for your repository that people will be able to take a look at and then watch it, because GitHub has still not implemented the option for watching videos. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.